Okay, so question number 6. Mr. Chadwick is head of year 13 and he's made some notes about the school leavers party. So what he's done is he's made a list of all the things that are going to happen during the course of the evening. And then we're asked to show the activities in order and the start time for each activity. So what we need to do is find out the beginning and the end, really. So we can see that the DJ finishes at 1 AM. So this will be the last thing to happen. Now, if I look here, I can see that at the beginning of the evening, the photographer arrives at 6:30. Okay, so this would need to be first. Okay, now after this we have welcome drinks before the meal, because the meal starts at 8 PM. So this would be second. Then we have the meal itself, so this would be third. Then we have the awards after the meal, so this would be fourth. Then after the meal and the awards, the dancing would take place, so this would be fifth. And then the DJ finishes, so as we said before, this would be the sixth thing to happen. So it needs to happen in this order. Okay, so we can start off with the photographer. So we know he arrives at 6:30. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to need a second page. So if I just pause for a second. Okay, so I'm back with you again. So we know that the photographer will be in at 6. Okay, so here we have the photographer. Okay, now he will be in, let's just check. The photographer arrives at 6:30, so at 6:30 he's in. So this is 6:30 PM because it's in the evening. Now we know we have the welcome drinks. Okay, and that will be at 7:30 PM. So then we have the meal, and this starts at 8 o'clock, so we know that's 8 PM, and we know that they've allowed an hour and a half for the meal. So the next event will be the awards. So the awards will be an hour and a half later, so this will be at 9:30 PM. Then the awards we know will take 45 minutes, so the dancing would then be 45 minutes later, so this would be at 10:15 PM. And then the DJ will finish at 1 AM. So this would be 1 AM. So this would be 1 o'clock in the morning. So there we have the list. So the photographer comes in at 6:30. He has an hour. Then the welcome drinks at 7:30. There will be half an hour for that. The meal has to start at 8 o'clock and would take an hour and a half. So that means the awards would take place at 9:30. We know that takes 45 minutes. So the dancing would start at 10:15 and then the DJ would finish at 1 o'clock. Okay, so this now gives the headmaster time and events that are going to take place at that time. Okay, I hope that helps. So the thing is to find out what's going to happen in what order and how long it's going to take, and then you can just prepare this. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question.